She got hers on Tuesday. I mean on
Wednesday.
So was it hard to learn?
It took like 10 minutes.
And then you just step on and then
You want to try? Okay.
it's really fun. Everybody likes it now.
Where'd AJ go? Oh, here he is. AJ, did he steal your ball? AJ, did he steal your ball?
What?
Did he steal that ball? Yeah. Why?
So it was sitting down and he didn't know I was using it.
Oh.
Man, it's a work plan.
So, I didn't tell you guys yet, but we're at Dick's and we're just riding around. Everybody here, we've been to like 5 other stores today, and there's like, this out, like Petco, Field and Stream, or whatever it's called. We're also the Container Store, and this is like the only place that, like, the workers are so fun here. Yeah, they're so fun here. We're at Dick's Sporting Goods, and they're just like wanting to ride them, asking so many questions. Nobody has said a word to us, but everybody else is like, for safety concerns, or they're like, we don't want you in here with us, or something like that. And yeah, as I said, this is like the only cool store in this little mall. So we're waiting like an hour and 30 minutes to eat Chevy's to eat. We are hungry and we want food. Look, I'll show you the backpack that I have for school. Do you guys want to see? I was in Petco and it fell on my butt. It was. I have. Addie, I have a pink Nike one. Look how high those hoops are. Woo! Almost fell. No, it just stopped. They're blocked off.
No, not.
Yeah, they are.
No, not.
Let's go downstairs and visit them. I think they're lonely. He said, AJ, we went up the elevator and he was like, okay, I'll see you guys in like 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. I was like, okay. AJ, somebody's coming and she looks mad.
What?
Somebody's coming and she looks mad. Alright, let's go downstairs and talk to the workers. We have the coolest. AJ, we're gonna go in the elevator. It takes a little bit longer, but it's fun.
Where's that?
The elevator. It's over there. The worker downstairs, he was like, we have these like best friends, Prince and what's his name? What's his name? Wait, what is his name? Frederick.
I'm not going down the elevator. Or we are. We're not going in the elevator.
No, it's okay. Okay, so Frederick.
She's doing it.
So our Prince left, but Frederick is like our best friend. There is what's his name? Frederick. Okay, come on.
Megan, we can't. Alright, yes.
Okay. I feel like I was gonna fall when I was putting those down, but so I'm gonna go talk to the people because they're really nice about us. Like they were riding it and everything. It was cool.
We found one for 300. Well, I did. The lady did. The lady that was sitting here found one for 300.
Where?
Amazon.
Oh, this one 200.
Yeah, that's a steal. Where'd you get it from, though?
Amazon. But we have like free shipping and stuff. Everything off her. So we get free shipping. Anything.
Didn't you get in trouble for riding it?
Nah, they just said, I mean, it's gonna be on the front end. They're in the front end hanging out, and then we have a couple back here.